Plant FAQs. Lobelia Deckenii. What is Lobelia Deckenii? Lobelia Deckenii is a species of giant lobelia found in East Africa, particularly in mountainous regions like Mount Kenya and Kilimanjaro. This plant is known for its striking appearance, with tall, spiky inflorescences and rosettes of large leaves. It can reach impressive heights, making it a standout in any landscape. How to care for Lobelia Deckenii. Light requirements. Lobelia Deckenii thrives in full sun to partial shade. In its native habitat, it is exposed to intense sunlight at high altitudes. Therefore, providing ample light is crucial for its growth. Watering needs. This plant prefers consistent moisture but does not like to sit in water. The soil should be well-draining, and it's important to water regularly, especially during dry periods. However, avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Soil preferences. Lobelia Deckenii grows best in fertile, well-drained soil. Adding organic matter can improve soil structure and provide essential nutrients. It's also beneficial to ensure the soil pH is slightly acidic to neutral. Temperature and humidity. Being native to high altitudes, Lobelia Deckenii is accustomed to cooler temperatures. It can tolerate a range of conditions, but thrives best in environments that mimic its natural habitat. Ensure good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. How does Lobelia Deckenii compare to other Lobelia species? Lobelia syphilitica versus Lobelia Deckenii. Lobelia syphilitica, also known as the great blue lobelia, is quite different from Lobelia Deckenii. While Lobelia syphilitica is native to North America and prefers wetlands, Lobelia Deckenii is native to high-altitude regions in Africa. The former has blue flowers and grows about 2 to 3 feet tall, whereas Lobelia Deckenii can reach heights of up to 10 feet with its tall, spiky inflorescences. Lobelia cardinalis versus Lobelia Deckenii. Lobelia cardinalis, or the cardinal flower, is known for its vibrant red blooms. In contrast, Lobelia Deckenii has more subdued flower colors but makes up for it with its height and striking form. Both species require moist conditions, but Lobelia Deckenii's care requirements are more specific due to its high-altitude origins. What pests and diseases affect Lobelia Deckenii? Common pests. Lobelia Deckenii is relatively pest-resistant. However, it can occasionally be affected by aphids, slugs, and snails. Regular monitoring and appropriate treatments can keep these pests at bay. Common diseases. The most common disease affecting Lobelia Deckenii is root rot, typically caused by overwatering or poor drainage. Ensure the plant has well-drained soil and avoid excessive watering to prevent this issue. Fungal diseases can also occur, especially in humid conditions, so maintain good air circulation around the plant. How to propagate Lobelia Deckenii. Propagation of Lobelia Deckenii can be challenging but rewarding. The most effective methods are seed propagation and division. Seed propagation. Collect seeds from mature plants and sow them in a well-draining seed mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide plenty of light. Germination can take several weeks, so patience is key. Division. Division involves separating a mature plant into smaller sections and replanting them. This method can be tricky due to the plant's size and root system, but it's a viable option for experienced gardeners. What are the benefits of growing Lobelia Deckenii? Aesthetic appeal. Lobelia Deckenii is a visually stunning plant. Its tall spikes and large rosettes add a dramatic touch to gardens and landscapes, making it a focal point. Ecological value. In its native habitat, Lobelia Deckenii plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. It provides nectar for pollinators and serves as a habitat for various insects. Growing this plant can contribute to local biodiversity and support pollinator populations. Educational value. For gardening enthusiasts and botany students, Lobelia Deckenii offers a fascinating subject of study. Its unique adaptations to high-altitude environments and distinctive appearance make it an excellent plant for educational purposes. Challenges in growing Lobelia Deckenii. Growing Lobelia Deckenii can be challenging, especially for those unfamiliar with its specific needs. Its requirements for light, water, and temperature can be demanding. Additionally, its susceptibility to root rot and fungal diseases means careful attention is needed to maintain its health. Conclusion. Lobelia Deckenii is a remarkable plant with unique beauty and ecological value. While it requires specific care, the rewards of growing this plant are well worth the effort. By understanding its needs and challenges, you can successfully cultivate Lobelia Deckenii and enjoy its striking presence in your garden.